Today, let's make some crispy orange chicken. We're gonna get right into it. This is better than takeout, I can almost guarantee you. Very simple, minimal ingredients. This will probably only take you about 30 minutes tops. So first, we're gonna start out by making our orange sauce, the yin and the yang to this dish. Grab one of your little saucepans here, and you're gonna do 1 cup of orange juice. Do a good tablespoon soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, garlic powder, ginger, yeah, let's do about a tablespoon of chili flakes. Now we're just gonna do a little orange zest. Okay, so let's start with that. If you wanna add more in a little bit, you can. And this is just a half a cup of sugar. We're gonna heat this up first and then add in our sugar. And then towards the end, I'm gonna put in a little bit of cornstarch to help thicken it up. So this is just about a tablespoon of cornstarch with some soy sauce and water. Okay, so now we got our chicken right over here. I'm just gonna do a bit of salt, a bit of pepper on both sides. Pepper. Now I'm just gonna slice these into good bite-sized bites. Just gonna throw those in your egg dredge over there. Perfect. Okay, now once you got your chicken cut up into little bite-sized bites and into your little wet dredge of eggs here, you just kind of stir those around, get those all soaked up. All right, and now just grab another bowl. You're gonna do 1/3 cup of flour and about 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Now what you're gonna do is just dump your chicken and your eggs right in the bowl here. You're just gonna get this all mixed up. You want them to be heavily coated. That's what's gonna make them nice and crispy. I got our little chickens on a little tray here. That's what they should look like. Nicely coated with that egg, flour, and cornstarch. That's what's gonna really give it that crispiness. So I got our oil heating up to about 350 back here. Let's go and fry these puppies up. Now we're just gonna pop in our little chiclets, little chickalinos. I'm gonna fry these, get them nice and crispy, nice and golden brown. So I'd say you're gonna let these go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, these have been going for about 8 minutes. That's the kind of color you want right there, of course, nice golden brown. We're just gonna pop these on our tray back here. Okay, we're gonna hit those with a little salt. Okay, now we're gonna get our sauce going. Okay, now once you start boiling there, turn down your heat, stir that up. We're now gonna put in our sugar. A little fresh squeeze there, the OJ. Okay, now once it starts bubbling again like that, we're just gonna throw in our watered down cornstarch here. Okay, now once you get that syrupy consistency there, that's ready to be done. Shut your heat off. Okay, you got your chicken right here. Just gonna throw in your glaze. Flip that around. Look at that. Freaking gorgeous. All right, here we go. I'm so excited right now. Look at that glaze, nailed it. Got a little spice too from the chili flakes. And there we have it, another super delicious dish in the books. This one, I'm telling you, is better than takeout. It takes about 30 minutes, as long as it would probably take you to order and go get the takeout or have it delivered. Super simple, super easy, super delicious, all the things. Come on, can we get a round of applause? Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, press the notification button, comment below on which recipe you want to see next. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Probably take this with me. This little gem right here.